Today breaking down the kettlebell swing. Alright guys, so key points of performance for the kettlebell swing. I'm gonna try to take my time and walk you through all the steps. So often I see people just kind of pick up the bell and begin with this hump action. You want to have the bell out in front of you so you can get the first initial swing going. So I like to think about, here I am, it should be far enough to where my back can stay flat and not where I'm rounded out. That should be the first thing, is getting your back into a good position, flat, angling the bell down so that whenever I do my first pull, I'm beginning to get the swing. Remember, this is a swing and not an intense shoulder raise. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to just get in the habit of pulling the bell back and forth while maintaining a neutral spine. Notice also where I pull this bell to, very close to your crotch. Kind of goes up and in. If you get in the habit of once you actually start swinging, the bell's going really low. You can see this a lot. If the bell's real low, you're going to be forced to be rounded. So just even by pulling the bell in closer, should flatten out your back. So after you get a couple of adjusted swings, now we're going to add in the hip hop, and I want to see you return it. Trying to train you what it feels like to have the swing going. So we get out in front, my back is flat. Swing, squeeze the glutes, pop it forward. Swing, glutes, pop it forward. As you start to get into more of a rhythm, and you get to feel what it feels like to get back into that motion, you can start adding in more repetitions there. One of the things I want to point out is when you get to the top of this position here, from here I'm doing all glutes, all leg drive, and I should be ending in this exact same position that looks like a plank. So pop the glutes, my glutes are tight, abs are tight, and the bell goes to this neutral position here where everything's stacked, not here. So I like to think about every time I swing the bell, it's almost as if I were to kind of stay looking down because it helps me contract my upper abs. Trying to get the bell shoulder height, all from the hips. Another tendency that I see too often is when people are trying to get the bell up, they might do either something like this, where they're never getting their glutes involved, which should be powering the bell to lift up, and you just kind of get into the shoulder raise. You're going to feel that a lot in your back, big time, if you're not getting your glutes to protect your back. Another thing that can happen is when you go to start to kind of round here, maybe you got the glutes squeezing here, but you're rounding here. So try to be intentional with squeezing your shoulder blades to get into the movement. One key way to kind of demonstrate that I'm not using my shoulders at all as a raise, I'm just going to grab with 2 fingers, and you kind of use your, well, you'll see it, I'm just using my hands as kind of like hooks versus actually gripping and trying to rip it up as if it was a big shoulder raise. So use your hands as just claws. Try to get your hips to propel the bell forward, and then the bell should always land in front of you, because if it's going here, here, and here, it should just stay in motion. That's the kettlebell swing. Get after it.